bomb. I bombed in Kalamazoo for 20,000 people.
What?
20 minutes of silence.
What?
I could hear people like, what is this?
Wow.
20,000 people?
Where?
Yeah.
What?
Seinfeld?
No, a Schumer gig years ago, Kalamazoo, brutal.
Wait, Schumer's crowd didn't get you?
Well, it was just it was like we
They were there
started
for
late,
Amy.
but you got to go on. They were half seated.
Were they like, this
Nightmare.
guy's not like a slut?
Yeah, there was a lot of that
I came here to talk about being a slut.
too. They hated it.
I'm wasted.
I want you to do Trump talking to Amy.
She's a fat pig. She's a disgusting.
Oh my God.
No, that's how
Guys,
Trump
that's Donald
would.
Trump.
That's how Trump
That's not
would.
Shane. That's Donald
That's
Trump.
how Trump would.
Trump. Right.
I wouldn't.
Okay.
I think
You're in
Amy's great.
character. This is 6 Bud Lights in, ladies and gentlemen. I just want to point that out. And
I'm
one,
just joking. If I
looks like
met
an
Amy,
IPA.
I'd be like pumped to meet her.
Yeah.
She killed, but they hated me.
20,000
happens.
people.
Yeah,
Damn.
silence.